Pav Bhaji Bites is our today's recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I will be showing you all the recipe of Pav Bhaji Bites. It's an appetizer recipe, easy to make and yummy. For that, we require bread slices. I have cut the edges. So we require bread slices, peeled, boiled and mashed potato, chopped onion, chopped tomato, red chili powder, pav bhaji masala, ground cumin and coriander, turmeric powder, green peas, green capsicum, salt, garlic and butter. So first we are going to make the bhaji. For that, in a frying pan I am going to take butter, 1.5 teaspoon, and then add crushed garlic to it, 1 teaspoon. Mix it and cook the garlic for about 2 minutes or until the rawness is gone. Cook it on medium flame and then add finely chopped onion to this. I am using 1 medium sized onion. And we are going to cook the onion on high flame till it becomes nice golden brown in color. So now you'll see the onions have turned nice golden brown. At this stage we are going to add 1 medium sized finely chopped tomato and cook this on high flame. We want our tomatoes to become mushy, so cook them thoroughly on high flame. So you'll see now they have cooked properly. And then add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green capsicum, 2 tablespoon green peas. I'm using frozen green peas. You may use the fresh ones. Boil them for about 5 minutes and then use them. Drain the water and add it to the bhaji. Mix everything well on high flame and then we are going to mash it a little so that the green peas break down a little. Let it combine well. Mix it again on medium to high flame. At this stage I am going to add 2 medium sized mashed potatoes, peeled, boiled and mashed potatoes. Combine everything well. I'll add 1 teaspoon of butter to this and then I'm going to mash it so that everything combines well. We don't want a creamy mash. Add water, 1/4 to half cup of water and combine everything well on high flame. Once it's combined well, we'll start adding the spices. First we'll add turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Then add ground cumin and coriander, 1.5 to 2 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 2 to 2.5 teaspoon. Pav bhaji masala, 2.5 to 3 teaspoons. And salt, very little or as per taste. And combine everything well. Let the spices cook for about 3 minutes on high flame. Then add water to adjust the consistency, so about 1/4 to half cup of water and combine everything well again on high flame. And our bhaji is ready. Let it cool down at room temperature. Now we are going to apply butter to our bread slices. I have removed the edges. So apply butter onto the bread slice. And then we are going to put our bhaji, which is at the room temperature right now. and spread it evenly. Make a even layer. Perfect. And then make a sandwich out of it. We have applied butter to both the bread slices. And repeat the procedure for the remaining sandwiches. Now on a tawa, I am going to add butter, about 1 teaspoon, and then put our sandwiches onto it. We are going to grill them on high flame till our bread slices become nice golden brown in color. So you may cook this on a griddle or even grill them in the sandwich toasters. Apply butter onto the bread slices from both the sides. Perfect. And now we are going to flip our sandwiches. So after about 3 minutes or after they have become nice golden brown in color, we are going to flip our sandwiches and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes on high flame or till they become nice golden brown in color. Once they are done, remove them. Perfect. While they are hot, we are going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. So here I am going to cut them into triangles. If you want, you may cut them into small squares. So you'll see perfect bite-sized pieces are ready. Lovely. So this is how our pav bhaji bites are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time with some more exciting videos. Bye-bye.